feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the
Hey lovelies, welcome back to the final week of my fall wig series. This is episode 5 and we're closing things out with a classic and timeless look, a natural jet black unit. It's sleek, versatile, and perfect for any occasion. Let's jump right into it. This unit is Sensational Cloud 9 style Solana, and this is color 1B because what's fall without a natural color, right? I'm using my lace tinted spray by Red in shade dark brown to help blend the lace to match my skin tone. I'm then clipping the hair to the back to make the install easier, then cutting the lace into sections and removing the ear tabs. This helps me work on each section with more precision. For hold, I'm using my go-to Ebin Mold and Hold hairspray. I usually like to spray 2 layers on my skin, section by section, to keep the wig secured. I would also like to thank you guys so much for sticking with me throughout my fall wig series. I do appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in every week, every episode, showing your support. It truly means the world to me, and I'm so grateful to have you here. This unit right here is what started my synthetic lace journey. It was the very first synthetic wig I ever purchased a few years ago, and it left such a huge impression on me because this unit is so versatile. The versatility was amazing, and I was able to pluck the frontal to create a natural looking hairstyle. And let me tell you guys, it did not disappoint. In fact, I think I still have the video from back then on my channel, so I'll probably link it below if you want to check it out. And this is how my first customized synthetic unit looked a couple of years ago. It looks so natural like human hair. Tell me otherwise. Now on to the styling. I usually stick to a middle part, but as promised in my last video, I'll be switching it up. So today we're going for a side part. I'm starting by using my rat tail comb to carve out the parting, then defining it with my go-to wax stick. To make sure the part lays super flat, I'll section the hair into smaller parts, applying more wax stick as I go. Once that's done, I'll run my hot comb through each section for a sleek, polished finish. And don't forget to press the back too. That's key for an overall flawless install. This unit comes in a plethora of colors. It's a very voluptuous, loose waves that makes it perfect for both the casual and formal occasion. It's a 13x6 ear-to-ear unit and it's 6-inch deep. It also comes pre-plucked to make the install a little bit easier for you. Now, because this unit is so versatile, you can create several different styles with this one unit. I didn't have the time to style the different looks with this current unit, but I do have pictures of the same unit with different style I created some time ago. This is a half up, half down look, a middle part, and obviously I'm installing a side part in this video. Once that's done, I'll take off my elastic band and get ready to start plucking. Now, some people prefer to cut the lace before plucking, but honestly, it's all about finding what works best for you. Personally, I like to pluck before cutting the lace, especially with the synthetic blend. Plucking can be a bit trickier once the lace is cut because depending on how much adhesive you've used and the type of adhesive, the lace is more likely to lift. By plucking before cutting, you can hold on to the excess lace, which makes the process much easier and more precise. By the way, all the products being used will be listed below in my Amazon storefront if you would like to check it out. I'm then trimming the excess lace in the front using an eyebrow razor to cut it in section. This technique creates the most natural look by avoiding any harsh lines. And as you can see, I'm cutting it at an angle with a zigzag motion, which helps the lace blend perfectly into my skin. For the edges, I'm going to pull out a small section in the front and around the ears. I'm only doing the edges on one side because honestly, you're not going to be seeing the other side, so I feel like I'm not going to waste the time doing that. I'll then pluck those edges a bit to thin them out and then also pluck around the hairline to give it a more natural, softer look. While I am thinning out the hairline, I will stop periodically to hot comb the side and comb out the loose hair, just to have a better idea of how it's looking so far. Once the edges are thinned out, I'll cut them at an angle and then use a mix of my mold and hold hairspray and my Nairobi mousse along with an edge brush to lay down the edges. The mousse gives me more time to work with the edges since it slows down the drying of the spray, allowing for a more precise and smooth finish. I'll then use my blow dryer to press the edges to dry. Don't judge me, y'all. My blow dryer is broken, so I am going to use my fan. It still gets the job done, regardless. To blend the lace even more seamlessly into my skin, I'll go over the hairline with the brush that already has my Kisses Cream Foundation in shade 16 to blend the lace. To seal everything in, I'll use my spritz spray to spray over the parting and then use my hot comb to go over the top section, the parting, and the hairline one last time. Now, do you guys see how this unit is able to take heat very, very well? Like, my hot comb is steaming and this synthetic blend is doing an amazing job handling the heat. And as you can see, I'm not using my hot comb to press through the whole hair, so I don't lose any curls on this unit. I'll be running it through several times till it gets to my liking. Then I'll comb out the hair, getting rid of any tangles. I like to use a wide tooth comb to comb out the hair rather than a brush because, in my personal opinion, it retains more of the curls and it gives it a voluptuous wave look. Finally, I'll define my parting by using my Kisses Cream Foundation in shade 11 to enhance the parting space and to make it pop. And Lovelies, here is the final look. I absolutely love the color and the curls of this unit. It's so bouncy and so full. And personally, it mimics human hair with a soft and silky texture that holds its style very, very well. Alright, Lovelies, that's a wrap up for my fall wig series. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay confident, and I'll see you in my next video.